Hey guys, I'm Ace.
And I'm Nath.
And I'm Viena.
And we are reporting about the Heron's formula. The main purpose of the Heron's formula is to find the area of a triangle throughout its height. So the history of this formula is the formula is credited to Heron or Hero of Alexandria, and a proof can be found in his book, Metrica, written CE 60. It has been suggested that Archimedes knew the formula over 2 centuries earlier. And since Metrica is a collection of the mathematical knowledge available in the ancient world, it is possible that the formula predates the reference given in that work. In Shushu Yuxiang, or Mathematical Treatise in 9 sections, written by King Yu Xiao and published in 1247.
The formulation. Heron's formula states that the area of a triangle whose sublength A, B, and C is area is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. That is, S is equal to A plus B plus C divided into 2. Or S is equal to 1/2 divided by A plus B plus C, or S is equal to A plus B plus C divided into 2. Formula can also be written as the following.
Example here with a given of 40 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 9 millimeters. In step 1, we find the semi-perimeter. 9 plus 14 plus 8 over 2. Substitute to S is equal to 31 over 2. The answer is the semi-perimeter is equal to 15.5. A is equal to the square root of our semi-perimeter, 15.5 multiplied by 15.5 subtracted to 9. Multiplied by 15.5 subtracted to 14 and multiplied by 15.5 minus 8. Substitute to A is equal to the square root of 15.5 multiplied by 6.5 multiplied by 1.5 and multiplied by 7.5. The answer is A is equal to the square root of 1,133.4375. And the final answer is A is equal to 33.7 squared millimeters. For number 2, we have a given of 6 units, 10 units, and 8 units. In step number 1, finding the semi-perimeter. S is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 10 over 2. Substitute to 24 over 2. And the answer is 12. And step number 2, A is equal to the square root of 12 multiplied by 12 minus 6 multiplied by 12 minus 8 and multiplied by 12 minus 10. A is equal to the square root of 12 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 and multiplied by 2. The answer is A is equal to the square root of 576. The square root of 576 is 24 units squared.
And that is Heron's formula. Thank you.